Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2009, question number 4. Consider the binary relation R equals to xy, xz, zx, zy. On the set xyz, which one of the following is true? And 4 options are given. All options are about symmetric and antisymmetric. I already discussed what is symmetric and antisymmetric during lecture. If A, B is present in a relation, then B, A must be present. That's about symmetric. And in case of antisymmetric, if A, B, B, A present in a relation, then A must be equals to B. It is about antisymmetric and it's about symmetric. In this relation, xy is present, yx is not present. Then xz is present, zx is present, zy is present, yz is not present. So it is not symmetric. As xy present, yx not present, and for zy, yz is not present. Hence, it is not symmetric. Is it antisymmetric? Here, xz is present and zx is present. Whenever there is xz and zx is present, means x equals to z. Is x equals to z? No. These are three different elements in a set. X, y, z are different. X is not equals to z. Hence, it's also not antisymmetric. So we found this relation is neither symmetric nor antisymmetric. So answer is option D. R is neither symmetric nor antisymmetric. I already discussed relation. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.